Social media check-in.
Hemi Masate on YouTube. When proclamation states children, that's in quotes, who will age out of their visa category are exempt? Does it mean turning 21 years or 21 years old after factoring in the CSPA? My brother, petitioned by my mother, got his case approved in March, and he has been waiting for an interview date since then. Now he's currently 21, over 21.
I'll answer that question. If you're under Child Status Protection Act, they're not going to expedite the case. But if you didn't qualify under Child Status Protection Act and you're going to turn 21, then yes, you can do something.
Sabrina Ape on Facebook. Is it safe to travel outside of the U.S. on advanced parole? I got AP when I was with my husband. Now I'm no longer with him. I filed a VAWA, I did my interview and bought my I-360 to the officer.
Yes, it's safe.
Valentina Corbetta on YouTube. When you file concurrently the I-360 and the I-485, how should you check processing time for the I-485? From when I-360 is approved or from the date on notice of action for the I-485?
It's really basically going to be from the time the I-360 was approved.
Darkest Lee on YouTube. How often do you have to be with your spouse if they are in one country and you are in another? I am a U.S. citizen and he is from Ghana. I have not filed yet. We got married in Ghana.
If you got to ask, you got a problem. Because, I mean, you got to show it's a bona fide marriage. You got to visit him, you know, show something. You can't just go marry him and then not file for him and then 2, 3, 4 years later never have seen him and then expect him to go to the embassy and just say, well, my wife never came to visit me ever again. There's no set rule on how many. I'm sorry, there's no set rule, but I mean, you got to show a relationship.
Noted.
Nazir Montclair on Facebook. I'm moving out of state. I submitted my citizen form. I tried to change my address online, but it won't let me change it. What should I do?
Then fill out the AR-11 and mail it in.
Jody Ann Llewellyn on YouTube. My friend has been here in the U.S. for 4 years out of status and is placed in removal for June of this year. What should he do?
Contact a good lawyer. You know, whenever you put in removal, I mean, you got to go before an immigration judge. And when you go before an immigration judge, you gotta plead some relief. What is your relief? I don't know what your relief is. I don't know anything about this person. But relief falls into one of 3 general categories. One is my life's in danger if I go back home. So that would be some sort of asylum or Convention Against Torture or withholding of removal, something that you're in danger if you leave. Another relief could be I'm eligible for my green card today. Don't deport me. Look, I got the papers. I'm eligible right now. Give me my green card. I shouldn't be deported. Another form of relief is cancellation or removal. I've been here for 10 years. I'm a person of good moral character. It'd be a hardship to my family if I were deported. I mean, there's other things too, but that's generally your 3 options. So we would need to speak and see what works for you.
Segan Martins on YouTube. What is the difference between I-130 and I-730? Which form do I need to file for my spouse as a derivative to my asylum grant?
The I-730 is what you do. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.